Yeah, good morning, one and all. Again, we come back to the fifth class, another section like climate and us. Yeah, before we go into the lesson, just we discuss about the climate and us. All days in a year are not the same. Are not the same. You will experience hot summer. Hot summer. You will experience scorching heat in midday summer. What is a scorching? What is a scorching? What is a scorching? Scorching means here severe. It is a severe or very hot, very hot. Scorching summer in scorching heat in midday summer. Midday summer. While even beating cold winds in the winter, you make to sit near the heat places and sip a cup of coffee. Means because it is a cold climate, that's why we are mostly interested to take the hot items, Okay, the monsoons brings heavy downpour or heavy rainfall, and if you are way back from your school, suppose you are forget and your umbrella or your raincoat or some days of the year it is very pleasant or very calm. That's why we could love to go and picnic and enjoy on that such type of days. Yeah, the atmosphere surrounding is continuously or constantly to changing, and our daily life also. It is not in constant, means it is a constantly to change. You see, children, all days in a year are not same. But here in scorching summer, in midday summer, we are scorching the severe heat, and winter we are sitting near the heat places and to take a cup of coffee or tea. But in rainy season particularly, we are forget our umbrella. We are come back to our house from the school. So that is the situation here. The climate, different types of climatical changes are there. Means here this is not a constant. It is continuously to change. Let us discuss what is a climate. What is a climate? Climate is the condition of atmosphere at a particular time and the place. It is a condition of atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Before we go into the lesson, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere means nothing but our surroundings. It is called atmosphere. Climate means, it is a weather. What is the weather? Weather means here the condition of atmosphere. The condition of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called weather. Weather means the condition of atmosphere. The condition of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called the weather. It is a particular the time and place. Time and place. It is not throughout the world. Some place, some time. How the weather, how the atmosphere, that is called weather. And what is a climate? Climate is the average weather condition that persists over a long period of time. But here weather can change from day to day. Now it is a heat, next cold, next heavy winds. So that is the weather. Weather means it can change from day to day and time to time. But climate is not change. It is over a long period of time. Best example, you see, summer continuously 3 months. It is a high temperature. That is over a long period of time. That is a climate. Weather can change from day to day, but climate cannot change from day to day. It is a persist of over a long period of time. Right, yeah. Who's the people the weather events are recorded and predicted by the people. They are called meteorologists. Who are the meteorologists? Meteorologist means these meteorologists, they are collect the weather events are recorded. They are called meteorologists. Those who are the people to study the weather or the biospace, they are called meteorologists. Meteorologist means the person to collect the events or to record the events of weather. They are called meteorologist. How the people they are collect the weather events means the satellites are helping the people to collect the events and recorded the weather events for the people of meteorologist. Okay, so here these weather and climate both two are affected the human's life, human's daily life, and these weather and climate affected our clothing, affected our food, affected our transportation, and affected our housing also. Okay, best example we have to see children. Jammu and Kashmir. The climate of Jammu and Kashmir is a very cold climate. But here in the very cold climate, the people they are wearing the warm clothes to protect themselves from the cold climate. Like here, not only the clothing, food habits also. So the climate of this Jammu and Kashmir is a cold climate. The people they should take the hot items and they keep the house also like a heat, and people can use the geysers to increase the temperature in the houses. It is a hot climate, a cold climate, but hot climate. Best example like Rajasthan in summer season, the people they are using the cold items like cold food items, and keep the houses also cold like air condition. The people also they wear light white cotton clothes because the air is also free to enter the human's body. That's why weather and climate both they are affected the human's regular routine or daily life. So that's why these changes of climate leads to changes of seasons, because it is over a persist of long period of time. Seasons are also a long period of time. Almost in Indian seasons, the time is 3 months. That is just generally 3 months. So that's why the changes of climate leads to changes of seasons. Particularly, the India also can decide that there are 5 important seasons. The first one is summer. Second one is winter. Third one is monsoon season. What is the monsoon season? It is nothing but a rainy season. And fourth one, spring. Fifth one, autumn. These are the 5 important seasons in India. Okay, children, let us stop this topic today, and I will do the assignment. After assignment, again we'll go to the presentation for the next class. The first question. What is climate? Second one, how many seasons are there in India? Okay, children, thank you. You must complete the assignment, and again we'll come back to the another session, another important topic from climate and us. Thank you.